Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today we have news for the US. We got US interest rate news, which is a very big news event for the dollar. So, I mean, all the dollar pairs are definitely going to be affected in a big way by that news, I would expect. And I will be doing a YouTube live stream for that, so make sure you stop in later on for my YouTube live stream. But anyways, on the US dollar CAD monthly, I mean, I still think this is going to go into a downtrend, most likely to make a wave C, all part of an A, a B, and a wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely have been going up pretty strong, but I still suspect that this first push down was a one. I still think this is going to end up making like a wave two, and then probably back down for a wave three, probably a one, two, three of wave C based on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I still am calling this like a three-way pattern to the upside. Kind of almost looks like it's making three waves down too, so it could even turn into like some sort of a WXY. Now we do have that news coming out today, and I'm starting to actually suspect that it may actually cause this to go up because most wave twos, which I believe this is a wave two, do take out the high of wave four before they actually do continue the downtrend. So it'd make a lot more sense for me if this made like three waves up, three waves down, three waves up for wave two, like a WXY up two. This is the one, and then maybe in a few weeks is when it actually continues the downtrend for the wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we are definitely going up a little bit, but we have not broken any structure to the upside yet. I actually think it might even drift down a little bit more prior to the news. And if it actually looks like this before the news comes out, I would say that there's a very good chance that it will continue the uptrend. And this is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Nice little downtrend right here. And then this will be the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, maybe this is a W, this is an X, and then it goes up for a Y, which is a 3, 3, 3 pattern. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I actually kind of suspect that this may go down a little bit prior to the news. I mean, to me, it kind of looks like it could be an ABC correction to this last push down right here. So if this does drift down between now and the news, then I think that would be a perfect setup for a long opportunity at the news. But we definitely need to reevaluate this right before the news to get a better understanding because a lot could happen in the next, 8, 9 hours prior to the news coming out. So I will be live streaming for that. So make sure you stop in so we can get a better look at these pairs and get a better understanding of what is most likely to happen right before the news comes out. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.